What's up, YouTube? Jeff back again today. Another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about 3 features that Samsung has removed with the latest members update, so you guys can be aware of this, the change, in case you notice it. You're wondering where these features went. Samsung has explained it. We'll talk about that today. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, if you're going to order the upcoming Galaxy Watch 8 series or a Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, you can get in our mystery box program. Go to our website. I'll put the link below. You get a free case, cleaning kit, screen protector, desktop phone stand. We've got the Flip 7, Fold 7, Galaxy Watch Galaxy S26 Ultra rather. All of those devices, just tap on the device you're interested in, put in your phone number, email, or both. You'll get a link to purchase on launch day. We cover all the shipping cost, all the product cost of things in the box. All you have to do is use our link to order to get in. We use the affiliate revenue to fund the program, give back to the readers and viewers, and then also continue sustaining the website to bring you guys great Samsung news. Anyway, speaking of Samsung news, go into the members app, and if you ever read the notices section, which we do, let me back out of the beta program. I just made a video about the One UI 8 watch beta program, which has been a huge disaster, very frustrating. But if you do go in here and read the notices, you'll see there's a little orange dot up there. This is where the notices section is. You'll see there's a new notice right here, notice of discontinuation of certain features in Samsung members. It says, we'd like to inform you about an important update regarding Samsung members. No longer use some of the features provided by the support tab of Samsung members after the release of the next official version, scheduled to be released in the last week of June. Today is June 30th, so that has probably already reached you as an OTA. In fact, I'll look at the version number in a second so you can take a look. Features that are no longer supported: My Products and Register. I don't know why they removed that. Maybe because they're going to ask you to register during onboarding for your device flow, I guess, possibly. Warranty information in My Products. I don't know why they would remove that from members either. That one really puzzles me. I have no idea why that's taken away. Book appointment and request service. I mean, I guess that makes sense because Samsung doesn't have that many first-party, Samsung stores or service centers in the US. So maybe, or I don't know how many they have in other countries, but not many in the US. So maybe it makes sense here in the US at least to remove that. After the new version is released, you may encounter an error message when using the register feature in the older version. This is intended behavior. To avoid the error message, we recommend updating to the latest version for a smoother experience. For continued access to these features, we encourage you to use My Page on Samsung.com, which again, why it makes no sense. Why do we have to leave our phone to go to Samsung.com to do some of these various basic things about managing devices and warranty? Committing to enhancing your service experience, continue to work on improvements. Doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. But anyway, if you go back in the members app, you go to support, you'll notice over here in this new version, pretty much everything has been removed. You can see here the various service center, you can find it, but you can't really book it. It just takes you to Samsung.com to book service. Those other features they've mentioned, like warranty and stuff, have been removed, all that kind of stuff. Let me see actually what the version number is so I can show you guys. 5.4.00.10. And I'm pretty sure that's the version that they were referencing. If you go to the Galaxy Store, you can check your latest version, just verify. And it is June 23rd, 2025. It's kind of disappointing that they did not put this in the official changelog. They didn't really say anything about these omissions, but I guess they figure people read the notices. In my experience, that's not true because a lot of people end up finding out about these things from my channel or from our website. But Samsung tends to put less information. Maybe sometimes they should put more, and then when they should do more, they do less. Case in point, the One UI 8 watch beta, which if you guys haven't seen my video yet, I spent 6 hours today trying to get the One UI 8 watch beta on my wife's Galaxy Watch 7 Bluetooth because my Watch Ultra is not supported because it's an unlocked LTE model, which is an absolute unmitigated disaster. Anyway, wanted to inform you guys about this. Make sure you keep your members app updated if you want to join any betas, because theoretically, that's where all the beta programs are. A lot of people have been asking me if there's going to be a beta for the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra for One UI 8. I do not believe so. You guys can see right here that I'm enrolled in this One UI 8 watch beta. It just doesn't install. Like I said, it doesn't work. But I do not believe you're going to see a One UI 8 beta for the S24 and S23. It looks like those are both going to go direct to stable One UI 8 in late July, early August. So be on the lookout for that if you have one of those devices. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, check out the website, the Mystery Box program if you guys are interested. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.